So tonight we're gonna experiment with the uni again. We're just warming it up. We'll get out the temperature reader. We're also gonna use the egg. Okay, I feel like this is preheated. Like if you go, I have it on low now. It's like 800 in the back, and then it's like 5 something in the front, 600. So it's pretty hot, but I got it on low. So here's our little pizza for the uni oven. We made it small. It's about the size of a hand. We're gonna throw it in there and see how it goes. Well, a big hand, not a small hand. Okay, so this one's going in the uni. So this is what it looks like. It's going in. I smell burning already. But we will videotape the whole thing because it's really my first try with this little uni. I'm gonna guess that it needs maybe we need a light. Hold on, there we go. Now you can see what's going on in there. Maybe we'll zoom in. Okay, it's getting going. It's looking pretty good. Let's zoom in because we got a hot fingers. Let's see what the temperature is in there. The temperature is in the front 500. In the back it's about 600. The pizza about 300 degrees on top right now. Okay, I was trying to take that off, which sort of worked. Ooh, that didn't work. Let's move that. Watch out for the parchment paper. It'll get you every time. Here's what we'll do. Okay, that was a little interruption from our, hold on, we're zoomed in. That was a little interruption from our normal cooking. So you see it bubbling? Okay. So I have it on low, so I didn't want to burn it, but it is. Oh, definitely hot. I think it's ready. Look at that little pizza. Perfect. We're making this into a little pizza pie. This is the uni pizza pie. Let's see how it goes. It doesn't feel so crispy on the bottom, but we'll look. Yeah, not quite. Okay, so this is the small cheese pizza that we're making right here. It's almost ready.
What are you cooking on tonight?
We got a couple going.
You ate it?
Okay, here's the little uni pizza. Let's see what it looks like underneath. Not too bad. Could use more cooking on the